What it is, King Squad? It's your boy KingB, and I'm back with another video. I don't got that much time to do a little intro, but look, by the title, y'all already know what's finna go on. I'm finna get my mama with this coughing up blood prank. It's hot outside, bro. Y'all see this? I don't know if y'all can see that or not. It's currently 104 degrees in this Texas heat, but I'm gonna be good. I'm about to get my mama with this prank though. So we've been moving furniture all day. You know, I've been helping her do a couple things around the house. So it's hot. You know what I'm saying? Your boy is sweating. We've been getting some stuff done. I'm burning up though. So what I'm gonna do is, you know what I'm saying? We about to ride around, try to find some more stuff. You know what I'm saying? She's just trying to get like stuff for her little office, trying to set her little office up. So I'm helping her do that. She's trying to get like, you know, Facebook Marketplace. Listen, Facebook Marketplace got some good stuff, bro. I don't know if y'all know or not, but I just bought like this desk and this office chair off of Facebook Marketplace. So they got some good stuff. Y'all need to go on. I recommend going to Facebook Marketplace for any kind of furniture you're trying to get, unless you just big balling, shot calling, and you know you're trying to get it brand new. But anyway, y'all just stay tuned. I'm about to, you know, keep riding around with her trying to find some different stuff for her little office setup. But I'm definitely about to get her with this prank. So make sure y'all stay tuned. Make sure you go ahead and like it all right now. Press that subscribe button if you have not. On the road to 1,000. You know what I'm saying? So make sure y'all go ahead and do that. Also make sure you press that bell. If y'all keep seeing me look this way, it's because she about to come out the door right now. So make sure y'all like press that subscribe button. Make sure you press the bell so that you don't miss when I post. Also make sure you like this video right now. I'm about to get into it right now.
Don't cut me off that camera, Breon. I told him I did not want. I'm almost back.
Whatever
I know the next time you drive your own vehicle, you can go and come when you want to. This is the kind of stuff I see what he be saying now. But Wesley
you see what he be saying?
Wesley,
what he said?
when I'm ready to go, I'm ready to go. But like right about now,
we almost there. What's the problem?
Nothing.
What's the issue though? We had a nice good morning,
Yeah,
and now you doing all this complaining.
I ain't complaining. I'm hungry.
So you hungry, get frustrated?
Yeah, because I can't eat.
So it's my fault that you frustrated and you
This
hungry.
used to be the sandwich shop. Now they selling funnel cakes.
And you can't eat. And I asked you 5 times what you want to eat. Maya, say what's up. Anyways,
I don't want to be on the video.
y'all, she got an attitude today because she
I don't have no attitude. I got
woke me up.
smile on my face. See that?
Let me see it. Let me see it. Beautiful smile. I'm
You
going round
stay
the
on the
road.
road.
Up. But listen, she got me up out of the bed at 7 o'clock this morning.
You
to go
said
do
that you
yard
would get
sales.
up.
To go do yard
I
sales.
asked you yesterday. That's why we prepare a day in advance. Either you could have said yes or you could have said no.
Alright, so
but
she
you said yes.
got me up out of the bed at 7 o'clock this morning. And we went to like some yard sales, this, that, and the third. It's 11 o'clock. And
I
now
haven't
she
ate.
getting
This,
frustrated
that, and the third, and the fourth, too.
Now she getting frustrated because she ain't got no food in her system. I offered to get her something to eat.
Brake lights.
Look at y'all see how far I am from this car.
No,
look how far,
he's really not.
Look how far I am.
Yeah, look how
And
far
she
they
getting
are.
frustrated.
They're away from the camera. My life is in here.
Back to what I'm saying though. So she getting frustrated because she couldn't get nothing to eat. I offered to get something to eat 5. Look at that man. Look at that man. That's the man I was racing last night. It was him.
A Porsche.
What kind of car that is? Well, he driving a Porsche.
That was a Genesis, something.
I don't know, but anyways, she just get frustrated when she don't eat, you know. But I don't know. Why you think hell a bad word?
H-E-L-L?
Yeah. Like what the hell?
Yeah. Because don't play with me.
Like the hell is going on?
Yeah. You going to hell. How about that?
No, not like that. I'm just saying like
it's the same word.
what the hell kind of car that is?
Yeah.
You think that's a bad
The
word?
same one that's gonna be burning with you when you go to the pitchfork.
Anyways, what the title of this video gonna be? By the title, y'all already know what's gonna happen.
He turning. He's straight. You laugh. I didn't risk. Thank you, Jesus. I see my car. Talking and laughing again, and I said something, and Papa said something back, and Dion said, "Yeah, you keep messing with Papa. He said he'd run you out of here." I said, "Oh, did he really?" And he said, "We were just joking when we said." I said, "There you go again, telling lies." I said, "But the Lord will hear you and hear your cry. You get up on the pulpit and preach on Sunday morning." But the biggest liar, he said, "That wasn't a lie. I was just joking. But you know I would put you out of here." He said, "Ha ha ha." I said, "This is the devil." I said, "But if you said you put me out, you got enough things coming out, turn the walls and eat your car before you put me out of here. Tell you that right now." You keep on, they're gonna see something they don't want to see.
My stomach.
Brian, go to the bathroom. Oh my God, what's wrong? Brian, run, put cold water on. You alright? Is that your tooth thing or your mouth or your tongue or what? Why would you be recording it right now?
I can't help myself from breathing. What you want me to do?
Well, why you have that freaking camera up in your face right there? Put that junk down. Something is wrong with you.
That's a prank. Come here.
Clean that junk up. I'm out of here. I told y'all what's going on. I'm gone. He do some stupid stuff. He was just like a little boy crab wolf. Something's really wrong with him. Ain't nobody gonna believe that crap. He gonna cough up blood. He gonna S out blood.
Hold on for you, Lee. Hold on for you, Lee. Let me show you what I got. Hold on.
Something's wrong with him.
Look what I got. Look what I got. At least I know you're concerned. I really do appreciate it. You had to end it
Hey,
off
look at your teeth like you got mess on them.
I'm gonna get. I got some chips on.
People that love people don't do stuff like that.
Don't be mad. Can I get in for 1 second?
Get in here.
Yeah, I want to end the video.
You won't.
But a quick little prank. You upset like that? My teeth is a little red.
I mean, just to see all that blood come out of you like that, I was like, what in the world is
You was
going
scared?
on?
Oh.
No, I wasn't scared.
Give me those.
Then you walk up there with the camera to me, ugh. What the frick you got a camera in your face for? These people don't love me because they don't know me. They need to get to know you because I'm telling you that stuff he doing is foolish.
Come on, you can't pull off with me in here now.
Okay, the door shut ain't.
If y'all like this video, make sure y'all drop a big thumbs up. Also make sure you subscribe to the channel. Also make sure you press that bell so that you don't miss when I post. Once again, make sure you share this video and like this video if you want to see me do more pranks on my beautiful mama.
I'm telling you right now, it's all gonna end in a little while.
Put it out. We'll see y'all.
18 with a passion, barely adolescence when I first started rapping. Got my first mic and recorded like a Jackson, hitting like a Tyson, nobody knew what happened. Then I had play on my mind ever since. If it wasn't by the dollar, then it better make sense. Had to get rid of the chain, so I got a couple Tupmans. I think that I was wanted by the dead presidents, and I say, whoa. I'm just trying to change the view. Now when the family come around, they saying, take a look at you.